Are you being annoyed by the Libusb 1.086 DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Access the official Libusb 1.086 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Libusb 1.086, the 32-bit version of the foundational USB driver library. It allows legacy applications to communicate directly with USB hardware. Missing this file is the #1 cause of USB hardware not detected errors in older tools like Zadig or custom flashes on 64-bit systems. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The Libusb 1.086 DLL library is a specialized component of the Libusb Project system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Libusb 1.086 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. The version of Libusb 1.086 DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Libusb 1.086. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Libusb 1.086 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.